Gen UI, the future of design. You have designed screens, you have crafted user journeys, but what if tomorrow the interface design itself, where every layout, color, the button adapts automatically, just for you? Welcome to the future of design, the era of Gen UI. So, what is exactly Gen UI? Gen UI or Generative User Interface is a completely new way of designing. Instead of us crafting every screen manually, we design the rules and logic that guide an AI to create those screens automatically. Think of this way: your design system now has brain. It can understand the context, adapt to users' behavior, and instantly generate the interface that fits the moment. You are no longer designing static pixels. You are designing intelligence. Let's see how it's different. In a normal UI, everything is fixed. You decide the layout, the colors, the components, the states all in advance. But in Gen UI, AI build the layout in a real time, adapting to each user's needs, mood, or even the time of the day. The result, an interface that feels alive, dynamic, personalized, and completely context aware. Let's take some of the real world examples. You have probably already seen glimpses of Generative. Tools like Figma AI or Framer AI can now generate entire layout from single prompt. Canvas Magic Design instantly build posters and template based on your input. Even ChatGPT UI adapts dynamically depending on the task, writing, coding, or analyzing the data. These are the early signs of generative interfaces. UI that think and create evolve with the user. I believe all of you already familiar with this tool, right? Now we talk about how we design for a Gen UI. Now here is a real question. What does this mean for as a UI designer or UX designer? In this Gen UI era, our role shifts from crafting screens to crafting intelligence. Here are the few key things to remember when you are designing for Gen UI. First point, design for adaptability. In the Gen UI world, static layouts are all news. Instead of designing single pages, we design system. Flexible building blocks that can AI can rearrange based on the context. Think of like a Lego pieces, buttons, cards, sections, each with real rules for how they stretch, shrink, and reorder themselves. So, when a new device or user or language appears, the interface naturally adjusts without us manually redesigning it. In short, adaptability isn't just a show responsive anymore, it's an intelligence in motion. The second point, context aware UX. Gen UI isn't just about what the user clicks. It's about understand their situation, the time of the day, location, even emotional state that can influence what the interface shows. For example, a fitness app could switch to dark mode automatically at night, or your finance dashboard could highlight bills due that tweak, not every chart at once. When design becomes context aware, it feels human, like the system actually gets you. The third point, prompt based thinking. Instead of just a visual layouts, we will start writing design instructions like create a clean, a two-column layout with that periodized conversation, or generate a friendly onboarding screens for users. These are prompts, the new design language. Your role is to teach AI is the why behind your decisions, not just how. When your design system understands the intent, the clarity, hierarchy, and emotion, it can create a meaningful result fast. The fourth point, the transparency and control. When AI generate designs, users must trust the process. That means showing what changed and why. Maybe the AI moved a button for a better reachability. Let users see that. Maybe it's reordered content based on a priority. Highlight it with a note or animations. And most importantly, give users control. They should always be able to edit, override, or undo AI decisions. Transparency build confidence, and confidence build adoption. The last and final, ethical design. AI learns from data, and data often carries human bias. So, when we design for Gen UI, we need to ask, what does this mean for favor? Who might it ignore? Whether it's a gendered avatars, language tone, or accessibility, fairness must be built in. We should design transparency dashboards, allow feedback, and make sure AI decisions are explainable and inclusive. Because in the end, the design powered by AI should still inflect human values. So, when you design for a Gen UI, think less about drawing interfaces and more about creating living system that can listen, adapt, and respect the user. That's how we move from design tools to design intelligence. So that's Gen UI, where creativity meets computation. The real question isn't whether AI will design interfaces, it's whether you can design system that teaches AI how to design, because that's where the next generation of designers will shine. If this video give you new way of think about design, hit like, share it with your team, and subscribe for more design AI insights. I'm UX UI Genius. See you in the next one.